Cutting-edge innovation and technology shouldn't be cold and unreachable. It should be fun and part of daily life. This is eStar's world-first holographic smartphone. So, how do we generate glass-free holograms on smartphones? When we're looking at our smartphone, a camera will quickly track our eye movement. Eye tracking data is sent to our on-chip signal processing unit. It's quickly processed by our eye tracking system, which will lock on to where our eyes are looking. This is very important. Our eye tracking system will adjust the hologram generated based on where your eyes are looking, and you'll immediately see the holographic effect. This is the world's first holographic smartphone with our pioneering eye tracking technology. An innovation dedicated to the smartphone application. We call this Smart Holographics. You'll find 4 cameras on our holographic phone. A perfect air interface. The dual lens camera on the back is not just for taking holographic images, but more importantly, it's designed to collect and process holographic data. So what new user experience will such an innovative holographic smartphone bring us? No more dizziness or narrow viewing angles when watching movies in 3D. A truly immersive way to watch videos in 3D. Game playing becomes more fun and thrilling. Distance is no longer a problem. Lifelike product displays for online shopping. Complex traffic systems become easy to navigate. Education is no longer boring, but fun and lively. Anytime, anywhere, 3D scanning and printing. Well, all this is just the beginning. eStar will continue to create new technologies for holographic applications. We make the impossible possible and create better lives.